So if you're out looking at the backyard farmer garden, if you turn to the south, just across the street, you'll see our Prairie area here on East Campus. So this area has been here for a few decades, 30 years or so. And we have a variety of grasses growing in here. And this is it's really coming into its own this time of year. So if you're thinking about adding a prairie display, if you have a hard area to kind of grow stuff in, you can see some of the grasses, the shorter grasses in front of us are not, they're not doing really well in this 100-degree heat. But boy, the prairie grasses are really kicking into gear right now. This is their great time of year. So if you've got a spot, you might want to consider adding some of these grasses to that area. So a lot of times we'll talk about those verge areas between the sidewalk and the curb. So in here, this plant right here, which is just a fun plant, this is Eastern Gamma Grass. It's kind of relatively low growing, but it has a fun seed head. We have prairie cordgrass out here, another really tall grass. There's big bluestem, little bluestem, sideoats, grama. We also have switchgrass, so that's also a fun grass to have, and they'll come in a variety of different colors, especially as they go into fall. But it can be a little invasive, so use that minimally. Don't get too carried away with the switchgrass. So if you're looking for something to add to your yard that's a little different and a lot of fun, relatively low maintenance, think about a little prairie spot in your lawn.